How's it going, guys? We are going to be creating a print. We are in our printmaking unit. It's going to be about 2 weeks, and then we start our sculpture unit, which is going to be pretty fun. We're going to start using clay and stuff like that. So I want to make sure that we can get through this. Hopefully you walked in with a piece of watercolor paper and a Sharpie. Give me a thumbs up if you have both of those items. All right, so on either side, can be the long side, can be the short side. Go ahead and write your name somewhere. I'm gonna write Mr. Bofa because that's my name. And then also write our class code. Our class code is the day of the week, our grade level, and then your table number, which is that number nearby. Give me a thumbs up once you have those items. All right, guys, you're gonna be making a very visually layered work of art. So what that means is you're kind of mixing things up. You're thinking about ways that you can add on to this in the right order. I can't paint this and then go over it with Sharpie, so I'm gonna just kind of have some fun and do some experimental kind of art here. This is going to be entirely experimental. You're not gonna know what it's gonna look like, and that's the fun part. I don't want you to fall in love with this, because next time we're gonna be doing prints over this piece of paper. This is just a piece of paper that you have created. You've decided it's gonna look like. Once you have a drawing on here you like, you must use a rubbing plate. This is a form of printmaking. Printmaking is anything that can be repeated. So if I take this crayon, and I have construction paper crayons on the back counter, this will show up really well, and I go over here, hard and waxy, you're gonna see that design pop through. We know how to use these, but because I can take the paper and make that same design again, this is also considered a print. So texture plates are considered printing. Now, do I know what this is gonna look like? No, I'm just having fun. If you wanna use the crayons in your bag, that's cool too. I'm gonna mess around and just do a little bit of orange action in there. You could switch up the rubbing plates, but yes, I do want you to use the rubbing plates for making a visually layered image. All right, once you've done that, you can move on. When you're ready, you're gonna need a paintbrush, paper towel, a paint tray. You can share this with a partner, and then you're gonna need a water cup. If I don't have these ready, you just turn on the water, take a water cup, fill it up about 1 inch, and that's all you need. So now you're going to paint the whole thing. The whole what? Thing. It's very important that you have a layered piece of paper for next time. We're not just painting just to paint. Well, I mean, we're here to have fun, of course. But the most important thing is that you have a layered image. And that's literally it. Next time we're gonna be using cardboard, Q-tips, maybe some sponges, and we're going to be experimenting with different printmaking techniques. I can't wait to tell you all about it. You're gonna put your paintbrush in the water cup goes in the sink, paper towel goes in the trash. If you borrowed anything from me, like a rubbing plate or paint, make sure it goes away. We have wet wipes, or you can just use a wet paper towel and clean your table. And then you can start a new activity of your choice, but make sure that this is 100% colored. People, it's gonna be very important for next time to make our layered experimental print. All right, guys, have fun. Don't forget to put this on the drying rack, and I will see you next time.